I've always wanted my comedy to kind of benefit society. And a couple weeks ago, I was using my chainsaw when it struck me. I should do a chainsaw safety talk. So, first, and probably most obvious to you, is ear protection. Those suckers are loud. Second, and most obvious to me, eye protection. The Bible's very clear about what to do if your eye causes you to sin. And I always wondered how my eye could cause me to sin. And then I thought, probably if you get junk in it, then it makes you say a swear. Third, I think, is steel toes. I don't know why. I just don't cut towards my feet. I think that's pretty obvious. Now I would like you to imagine the saw itself. You have a handle, a trigger that makes it go, an extra handle, and then this flappy thing called a brake, I think because people just break them off. And then you've got the business end of the saw. And remember, this end is very sharp and powerful. And just because it can cut down an oak trunk does not mean you should just stick it in the dirt. Because that's going to dull your chain. And using a dull chainsaw is going to make you very frustrated. And we all know that a frustrated chainsaw operator is much more likely to say a swear. It's true. I would like to leave you with the acronym SAW. S is for saw. The acronym, to help you remember it. Are you with me? You got S. A is for away. Keep loose hair and clothing away from the saw. So pretty much, ladies, just don't. Leave us to the guys. And W is for way to go. You remembered the acronym. Oh, and always keep two hands on the saw. Unless, of course, you absolutely can't, and you really need to chainsaw something. Then do what you gotta do.